guys, what's up? My name is Alex. I travel a lot for work.
This is how good it is. This is how good it is. That's good.
So come on everybody, follow my adventures and see where I'm going next. Hi guys, Alex Wong right here. Welcome to my travel channel. If you haven't done so yet, please click the subscribe button below so you don't miss an episode, a future episode. So basically, I was like sitting at my computer one day and I was like, man, I have so much footage that I caught on my camera over the years. And so I was like, you know what? Why not make a travel video? So today I'm making my Quito, Ecuador travel video. I got to spend a day and a half in Quito, Ecuador in February 2018. And so this video captures everything I did in the day and a half. I hope you guys like this monkey right here. It's actually my roommate. Shout out to Lauren. It's her monkey and I guess she didn't want it. And so she has it here. So this is the apartment stuffed animal. And we're going to take good care of this monkey for you, Lauren. But hope you guys enjoy this video coming up right now. Alright guys, I'm in Quito today.
Do not hit me in that.
At a market. This is where you bargain. Lots of cool stuff here. Hola. Hola. Momento. Alright, so guys, I have not bargained in a really long time. And it's kind of fun. They got a lot of cool stuff, lots of hats. These bags are awesome right here. Check out these bags right here. They say 35, try and bring it down to 30. I don't know, might get it from my sister. But they're really cool. Got some scarves. Alright guys, I just made my first purchase. Saw this bag, $15. But the guy I asked if he could bring it down. He said he could. I got this for 12 bucks. I think it's pretty good. Really cool. I like it. Hopefully my sister will like it. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, I'm trying to get that flag. Nice. Hey, what's up guys? I finally made it to Mitad del Mundo, which is the middle of the world, where you can literally stand on the equator line. There's a lot of things to do here. We're going to try to find the spot where we can stand on the equator line. But so far, I love Ecuador, I love the mountains, love the fresh air, and we'll see what's next. Del Mundo. Alright guys, there's the statue of the world. Alright guys, there's a line.